welcome back to my channel. My name is Gina, and this week we are going to be making the infamous Marry Me chicken. This chicken is supposed to be so good that it elicits marriage proposals. And although I am already married, I really wanted to try out this chicken, and so I figured I'd take you guys along with me as well. I will leave a link to the recipe in the description box, so if you would like to make it with me, you can do so. And if you like Cook With Me videos, smash that thumbs up below. If you'd like more weekly dinner inspiration, please subscribe to my channel and be sure that that bell notification is hit so that you don't miss any of my videos. Without further ado, let's make some delicious chicken. In a large oven-safe skillet, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Heat oil over medium-high heat. Season with some salt and pepper. You want to cook the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes on this side. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Turn our heat down to medium. It was at medium-high. Add in 2 cloves of garlic that we have previously minced. And we're just going to cook this up for a minute or so. About 1/2 teaspoon of some dried thyme. 3/4 cup of chicken stock. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Slightest pinch of red pepper flakes. I literally just added a little bit just because it calls for it and I want to try the recipe as written, but I don't want it spicy. So I literally took the smallest pinch. So now on medium heat, we're going to just cook this for 5 minutes, and you want to stir it often. Then about 5 minutes, I'm just going to stick in our sun-dried tomatoes that we have chopped up. We just want to chop these up. Just stir those in. 1/2 cup, roughly, of some Parmesan cheese. So we're just gonna incorporate that into the sauce as well. Add back in the chicken. Spoon the sauce right over the chicken. Oops. Or flip it. So now we're going to place this in the oven and bake it until the chicken is cooked through, about 15 to 18 minutes. So this just came out of the oven. You want to be very careful with your handle of your pan that you don't grab it, because normally when pans are on the stove top, they're not hot. This is going to be extremely hot, so just beware. I take my thermometer and just check this chicken. Oh yeah, this is done. Chicken is done. I just put it in for 15 minutes, which is the lower end of the estimate, and checked it, and this is good to go. This is cooked. So now we are ready to eat. This recipe was so good. I was a little hesitant because I'm not a big fan of sun-dried tomatoes. Sometimes I feel like they can be too overpowering, but they definitely were not. This was such a good recipe, and it was really quick to make. This is definitely a 30-minute meal that you can make easily for your family. Alongside the chicken, I made broccoli, and all I did was put the broccoli on a baking sheet, mix it with some olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and cooked it while the chicken was cooking, so it was super easy. Didn't add any real extra effort on my part because the oven was already on, so why not stick some broccoli in? I hope you guys like this recipe, and I hope you got some good cooking motivation so that you can start off this new year making lots of delicious food for your family. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up below, and if you'd like more weekly dinner inspiration, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as a viewer, and be sure that that bell notification is hit. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye everyone!